How to create a raffle on Zeffy. Once on Zeffy.com, you can choose to sign up as it's completely free and all you need is your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard like this, and I want you to tap on Create Campaign in the top right hand corner. After selecting Create Campaign, you're going to tap on Raffle. Then you're going to tap on Create Raffle. After selecting Create Raffle, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can give your raffle a name. Then you're going to tap on Next. And from here, you can set the dates for your raffle. So you're going to tap on Add a Date. And you can choose the date of your raffle. So let's say for example's sake, I'll just select the 8th of August. And you can select the time also. And you can select when it will end. And then after doing that, you can choose event recurrence. So if it is something that will be repeated, you can select that. And you're just going to tap on Next. After tapping on Next, from here you can tell them more about your raffle. So you could tap on Add a Description. And you're just going to select Skip for now. Then I can choose the color that I want, the color scheme. So you can see different options. You can also put it in dark mode, you can select the style and so on. So you'll be able to customize the appearance. Once you're finished, you'll select Next. Then you can add your banner image or video. So you could tap on Replace from File and you could upload an image. Or if you would like to upload a video instead, you could select video and you could upload the video. Then you're going to tap on Next once more. And from here, you will be able to upload your logo. So you could tap on Upload Logo in the top left hand corner. And you could upload a logo. I'm just going to skip that for now. After you're finished doing that, you can put in the number of tickets. Or if you have unlimited tickets, you can do that. So let's say I have 90 tickets. I could type that in right there. Then you could add in the ticket rate, one chance of winning. You can add in the title right there. And you can also add in the cost for the tickets. So let's say each ticket will cost $60. After doing that, we could tap on See More Options. And you can see other options that you can also include, as you can see right there. And you can also add another ticket rate if you want. So let's say you would like to have them in different tiers, you can do that. Then you will tap on Next once more. After doing that, do you want to collect info from the buyer for each ticket purchase? If that is the case, you can tap on Add a Question per ticket. And let's say, for example, you would like to collect their name. So we'll select Required. And you can add another question. So if you would like to add a short question, you can do that. If you would like to add a checkbox, if you would like to collect their email also, we could select email. Then from there, you can make it required. And you're just going to tap on Next. From here, you could allow your buyers to donate a little extra to your cause. So if you like to allow additional donation, you can toggle it on right there. Then you'll tap on Next once more. And do you want to request additional information from your buyer? You can do that. You can add a question or so on. We'll select Skip for now. If you would like to add discount codes, you can also do that. But we are going to select Skip. And you can see a preview of how it looks. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Next. And from here, you could customize your thank you email. So this is the email that persons will receive once they have completed their purchase. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on Next. And from here, if you want to offer payment by check, you can do that. You can also set sales target and different options, as you can see right there. But we're just going to tap on Next. And then we'll select Share My Campaign. After tapping on Share My Campaign, you can choose to either copy the link, or you could get an embed code, or you could also get a QR code. So there are numerous options that you can choose from. Now let's say, for example, I were to paste in the link right here. You'll be able to see how the raffle page looks. And this is it, as you can see right there. Now once it is finished setting up, all you'll need to do is tap on Link Your Bank Account. And from there, you can start adding in your bank details. so you can add in your bank details right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.